Today, we're going to talk about one of the most frustrating and difficult to get rid of pests, bed bugs. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to get rid of bed bugs for good. Before we start, it's essential to prepare your room for treatment. Wash and dry all bedding, including sheets, blankets, and comforters in hot water and high heat. Dry clean or seal in plastic bags any non-washable items. Vacuum the entire room, especially around the bed, and dispose of the vacuum bag or empty the canister after each use. Now it's time to inspect your bed and surrounding areas for signs of bed bugs. Look for small, red or brown spots or blood stains on your sheets, mattress, and walls. Check for live bed bugs in cracks and crevices, especially around the headboard and bed frame. If you're not sure what you're looking for, consult with a pest control professional. There are several treatment options available, including chemical treatments, heat treatments, and non-chemical methods. For a non-chemical approach, use a steam cleaner to kill bed bugs and their eggs. Apply diatomaceous earth, a non-toxic powder, to cracks and crevices to dehydrate and kill bed bugs. You can also use a mattress encasement to trap bed bugs inside. After treatment, it's crucial to follow up and monitor for bed bugs. Check your bed and surrounding areas regularly for signs of bed bugs. To prevent reinfestation, use a bed bug-proof mattress encasement, wash and dry bedding regularly, and inspect second-hand furniture before bringing it into your home. That's it with these steps. You can get rid of bed bugs for good. Remember, prevention is key. If you're not sure about any part of the process, consider consulting with a pest control professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.